Amerise Pharmaceuticals is a research and development company focusing on formulation development and manufacturing across various dosage forms. We have a global footprint with our head office in the US, business office in the UK, and research centre in India. Our labs are equipped with all modern equipment like homogenizer, extruder, spheronizer, lyophilizers, automated ampoule filling and sealing machine, biosafety cabinets, rapid mixer granulation, microbalance and fluid bed dryer. Our stability chambers are designed as per ICH guidelines to run accelerated and long-term stability studies. Our analytical lab is equipped with sophisticated instruments like HPLC with UV, RI, PDA detectors, spectrometers, dissolution apparatus, and osmometer. We remain committed to apply scientific and technological innovations to deliver the best medicines by partnering with biotechs, medium and large pharma across the world. Our quality assurance team ensures the highest quality at all stages of product development. We provide full range of formulation development and manufacturing services of complex injectables including peptides, biosimilar products, ophthalmics, topical, nasal and complex oral dosage forms. Our own product portfolio includes development of NDA, 505(b)(2), niche generics and specialty products. We have a successful track record of developing formulations across different dosage forms and partnering with large pharma. At Amerise, we are on the way to become an innovation-driven global organisation to deliver safe and effective medicines to millions of patients around the world. Amerise Pharmaceuticals, ingenious innovation.